In the last video, we calculated our registration fees. What we're going to do next is budget for 2 oil changes in our 6-month period. So the first thing you're going to need to do is research your vehicle's engine oil capacity and the correct amount of oil, or the correct oil to use. So what I've done is I've just gone to Google and I researched 2010 Chevrolet Cobalt engine oil, this first one came up and it says that it uses 5W30 engine oil. So that's the viscosity. You're going to want to look for that number, and it's going to take 5 quarts per oil change. So for 2 oil changes, I'm going to need 10 quarts of oil and 2 oil filters. So what I'm going to do is go to AutoZone.com. I followed the link that's right here, gone to AutoZone.com. The first thing you need to do is add a vehicle. You're going to want to put all your vehicle information in. Chevrolet, not Cadillac. Chevrolet Cobalt. And then your correct engine. You did that during your fuel, or when you found your fuel economy. So I'm going to check for engine oil filter. So it comes up with our search results. You're going to want to find oil filter, and you are going to need 2 oil filters for your oil change. Now you can pick whichever one you want. You can go cheap if it looks like you're going to be over your $8,000, but it looks like everybody's going to come in under $8,000. So I'm just going to click on this. This is our STP Extended Life Oil Filter. It's $13.99 a piece. I'm going to want 2, so I go to 2 right here, and I add to cart. I'm going to close this. Okay, now what I want to do is search engine oil. Now it has all this engine oil right here. If we look at it, you're going to have to be careful right here. This is 1 quart. Okay, you can see the bottle is a lot smaller than this one. This one is 5 quarts. If you remember back, we need 5 quarts per oil change. We're doing 2 oil changes, so we are going to need 2 of these 5 quart oil containers, or I could get 10 of these. It's whatever you want to do. I'm going to go ahead and get some Max Life engine oil. I'm going to click on this. Now remember, this is 5 quarts, so I'm going to need 2. If it said 1 quart, I would need 10. Okay, so I change the quantity to 2. I add to cart. I'm going to close that. That's all I need. I need 10 quarts of oil and 2 oil filters. So here is my oil filters. This is my cart. Okay, I have my oil filters and I have my oil in there. I make sure the quantities are correct. 2 oil filters. I have 10 quarts of oil here. And here is my subtotal. Now, it's going to calculate taxes and shipping at checkout. Don't worry about taxes and shipping. Just remember that this is an estimate. So I'm going to move this down so I can see everything from my screenshot. I take my screenshot. I'm going to come over here to my oil changes. I'm going to insert my screenshot for my oil changes right here. And my grand total was about $88. So if we add tax, it'd be about, we'll just say $88. Not that big a deal. So I come up here to $88. Okay. Now, in the next video, we're going to have 3 videos today. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to total all this together and do your last page. So I'll see you in the next video.